Hello everyone. Java 11 added several useful methods to the string class, simplifying common string operations. In this video, we will be going through all these methods like isBlank, repeat, lines, strip method and its different variations. IsBlank method returns true if the string is empty or contains only whitespace characters, otherwise false. Repeat method returns a string whose value is the concatenation of the string count times. Strip, strip leading, strip trailing methods are Unicode-aware versions of trim method. They remove all whitespace characters from the string. Lines method returns a stream of string of lines extracted from the string, separated by line terminators. Let's see these methods with practical example.